Okay.
You probably already know, but let me explain why I've asked you to come here today. I'm testing a website that will let me see what it's like for actual people to use. I want to make it clear right away that we're testing the site, not you. You can't do anything wrong here, so don't worry about making mistakes. We want to hear exactly what you think, so please don't think that you're going to hurt our feelings. We want to improve, so we need to know honestly what you think.
I swear.
As we go along, yes, I'm going to ask you to think out loud to tell me what's going through your mind. If you have any questions, just ask. You may have noticed the video camera. With your permission, we're going to record what happens on the computer screen and what you have to say. The recording will be used to help us figure out how to improve our site. It won't be seen by anyone except for the people working on the project. Do you have any questions before we begin?
No.
Okay, before we look at the site, I'd like to ask you a few quick questions. First, what's your occupation?
Construction manager in the University of Vermont.
Okay. Now, roughly how many hours a week would you say you spend using the internet, including email?
30.
All right. How do you spend that time in a typical day, for instance? Tell me what you would work on online.
Estimating online. Materials, cost, and type. Drawing.
Excellent. Do you have any favorite websites?
No.
Okay, good. We're done with the questions. First, I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell me what you think strikes out and what grabs your attention first. So, go ahead and close that one. Yeah.
The hand drawings in the white and the dark. That's first.
Okay. Where does your mouse want to go? Where would you click
To the
first?
swings.
To look at the cartoons?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your first impression of this site?
Looks fun.
Cool. Assume you're looking for a digital artist. What kind of work does Brad do?
I don't understand that question.
He says,
Is this Brad?
yeah, no, the person, if you go all the way up to the top, Brad.
Cold.
Yep.
What kind of work does he do?
Yep.
What kind of work does he do?
It's not
a
a trick
website.
question. Yeah. Specifically, what services does he say he provides? You might have to dig in.
So I gotta start reading?
Yeah, now you have to start digging.
Illustrations. And political stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Where can you see some of his work?
I don't know. Online, I guess.
But there's more to this website.
This is the online home of his illustration of Brad's webcomic that thrills and delights the hot days every week. Check older comics. So what was the question?
Where can you see more of his work? Okay.
His blog, Twitter.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's find some information about Brad. Where does he work?
Where does he work? Why do I want to know this about Brad?
Because you're interested in him. Does he live in Vermont?
There's a subscription to Brad's up here. Follow him on Twitter.
Yep.
About Brad, I guess. You can contact him. All that stuff. What do you want?
Okay. Does it say his email address anywhere?
Probably if you were looking for it, huh?
Yes. How about a blog? Does he have a blog?
He does have a blog. It's right there.
What's the name of his blog?
Freelancer No More.
Excellent. Okay. Any lingering questions? This is the last 3 questions I have for you. Is there anything you're still wondering about Brad or his work?
No.
Okay. What would you go check out more of right now?
I guess I would wonder where else his comics are published.
Yeah, that's a good one.
What was the question again?
Where would you go check out more right now if you had the chance to?
This piece of board.
Okay. You can go do that.
Comic archives, illustrations, about, and content. Comic archives, follow board, I guess. I've never seen this in the newspapers.
Yeah, because if he had told you, he works in Oregon, but it's hard to read. But you've done everything I needed to do, and I have one more question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being high, what do you think of this site?
Looks pretty interesting. I almost want to read everything.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Perfect.